One of the most sinister strategies, however, involves deliberate misrepresentations. He's trying to say, how do you know there can't be another universe that permits life with different laws and different physical constants? Many atheists, scientists and theistic scientists, people who believe in God and people who don't believe in God, many of these scientists say that there is fine-tuning. So who are you going to believe? Peter or the academics or the scientists? You make your own mind up. The ones that believe that there is fine-tuning in the cosmos, in the universe. These include Barrow, Carr, Carter, Davies, Dawkins, Deutsch, Ellis, Green, Gough, Harrison, Hawking, Lind, Page, Penrose, Polkinghorne, Rees, Sandage, don't know how to pronounce his name, I do apologize, Smolin, Susskind, Tegmark, Tipler, Vilenkin, Weinberg, Wheeler, and Wilczek. Now, obviously, they don't all follow through with our conclusions that fine-tuning implies design, but that's a different philosophical discussion, but they still believe in fine-tuning. Others, for example, say that there is a multiverse. Atheists, they adopt an atheistic position and they claim that there is fine-tuning of the laws and the physical constants. That's it. So there is fine-tuning. Now, Peter, on the other hand, would like to believe there is no fine-tuning. But you take your pick. Peter or all of these academics?
How do we explain the appearance that the universe is tuned to bring us into existence? Explanation number 2 is adopted by physicists, I think, Stephen Weinberg, who was quoted earlier in this conference. Stephen Weinberg, Nobel Prize-winning physicist from Texas, I think his view is that we don't yet understand enough physics, and when we do, when we have the longed-for theory of everything, the TOE, we will then realize that these knobs are not for tuning. There is no freedom, there are no degrees of freedom. Of that foaming bubble of all those bubbles in the foam of the multiverse, we have to be living in one of the minority of universes that has what it takes to give rise to us because we are here. Once again, physicists find that a bit of a stretch. They find it not exactly implausible, but they think of it as a bit of a cop-out. I actually think it's rather an elegant explanation. I think it's probably true, but I don't know enough physics to know.
Deliberate misrepresentations.